Hey, this is Mitch Eilerman with RV Wholesalers. Today we're doing a overview of the Nexus Rebel motorhome. Right. So what the biggest thing with Nexus is they're a smaller company. They're growing as a company. What separates them is the quality. I mean, you're going to be with an International on the Rebel. They've got great quality. They're affordable. They're not super expensive like a lot of the different motorhomes are getting out there. You're still going to get a better construction. I think the quality, with them not being as big, is going to be there for you. So if you're not pushing out 100 units a day, so it allows you to have a lot better quality and overall fit and finish of the unit. They're going to be jam-packed with different features. So if you're looking for, not like a smaller Class C, but something that's going to last a long time, a bigger basically Super C, you're going to want to look at the Nexus Rebel.